Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about some more winter decor that you can incorporate into your home and keep out all winter long. So kind of that after Christmas decorating style, if you will. So I have some neutral staple pieces that I think are very pretty and very practical to incorporate into your winter decor. I'm going to be starting off with some greenery. I also have some textures and color patterns and things like that. And also just some random accents that I think are really beautiful to incorporate into winter decor. Nonetheless, I wanted to show you guys what I have. So we're gonna go ahead and start with greenery first. So this first bunch that I have here, I actually purchased from the Hearth and Hand line. It was in the Christmas section this past year, 2022. So anyway, this is what it looks like. This is actually three stems here, as you guys can see. I like to keep this in a large vase on my console table in my living room, and I just think these are so pretty. So this is some type of like Fraser or fir. I'm not really 100% sure what this is, but it is beautiful. It's just very like classic winter look, and these are super pretty. So I don't know if I'll be able to link these or not, just because they were in the Hearth and Hand section from Christmas. If I can, I will have it linked down below. If not, I apologize. Anything that I can link, I will have linked down in the description. So just FYI on that. But anyway, I just think very pretty, just like realistic winter greenery pieces are just obviously staples for winter decorating. So this is the first one I have. I also have a little bit of pine and like pine cones throughout my home this winter, but I didn't really lean into that very much. I kind of just incorporated more of this basic greenery style, but still nods to the winter months, like I said. So this is the first set of greenery that I wanted to show you guys. And then I have another one. Actually, I have a couple more. Okay, so this next one I wanted to show you guys, it's mainly for the color. I apologize, I do have no clue where this came from. I actually was wanting to purchase some more and couldn't tell you where I got it. So anyway, it is more of this like dried grassy look, and this was one bundle, but it's in like multiple pieces now, as you guys can tell. But I like to style this on my coffee table. That's where I currently have it for winter here in my living room. But I just love this. It's like a very like muted look, kind of like, I don't know, just that real wintry feel. Like everything is just kind of the same color. Everything's just really toned down throughout the winter months, and I feel like this definitely fits the bill for that. So I have this, like I said, I think this is so pretty, and I just love the realistic look that it gives off as well. And then I have one more style of greenery that I want to show you guys that I recently purchased from Hobby Lobby. So this is the greenery that I recently purchased from Hobby Lobby. I actually shared this in my last video. It was a Hobby Lobby shop with me where I showed you guys like all the things that they had throughout the store that were on clearance and sale that week and whatnot. And this greenery I purchased that day. So this is very lifelike as well, and I really love the color of this too. So when it comes to using greenery in my home for winter, I don't want anything super vibrant, just because that feels more like spring and summer to me. I want something that has more of that just muted down, just kind of relaxed color, if you will, for the greenery. And I thought that this was perfect. It's kind of like a mossy look too. And this one, if I can link it, I will have it linked down below. But like I said, it's just very realistic looking. It's very whimsical and like rustic, and I really like that for the winter, really just all year round as well. But another thing I wanted to show you guys are black accents. So whenever it comes to decorating for winter, I do love that very neutral palette, just because, you know, you just got out of Christmas, and I know most of us like to do like traditional colors or just any type of color scheme that you choose for Christmas. I always think it's nice and refreshing to go into the new year with a very clean slate, very fresh slate with all the neutral palettes, and just, I don't know, just very much that minimalistic look, if you will. So one of the things that I wanted to incorporate into my home this year, just to add in some more of that warmth and whatnot, are black accents. So I do love a good black accent throughout my home. We have black sconces. I have a black hutch in my dining room, just little pieces of it here and there. But I wanted to add some more like pottery and like just, I don't know, your everyday decor, if you will. So I ended up finding this vase here. Let me see if I can take this out. I ended up finding this vase at Hobby Lobby. Again, in my last video, whenever I went and they had the whole like 75% off section, I got this piece for $12.50. It is so pretty. It's a very good size, as you can see. I like to keep this on my dining room table with that greenery that I just showed you guys. And I just think that incorporating these rich dark tones into your winter decor is just very classic, very timeless, and just really pretty altogether. And it just brings in that warmth and kind of that, I don't know, again, it's not very like vibrant like you would if you incorporated whites and whatnot into your spring and summer decor. I think the black in the winter is just very pretty and just very cozy. So speaking of adding in those black accents, one of the things that I wanted to show you guys is a black throw blanket that I have. And I love this thing. So I actually got this from a home decor subscription box. I think this is so beautiful. It is black with that plaid on there, and the plaid is like a, I don't know, like a taupe kind of color. It's very pretty, almost like a khaki, and then it does have tassels. So again, this is a very classic look. I love the plaid. It's just, I don't know, very just timeless and classic to me, but I love this. So just throwing this on your couch or a chair or anything like that, just to bring in that warmth and texture, I think is just so pretty. So this is a very good quality blanket. Like I said, this one came from a home decor subscription box, but I do believe that they have something very similar to this on Amazon. So if I can link it below, I will. But I just think this is so beautiful, and just the pops of black, I just think they're so beautiful in a home, especially if you have a very neutral aesthetic throughout. Like I know in our home we have, obviously you guys can tell, we have lighter walls, and our furniture is just more that earth tone palette with grays and clay colors and things like that. So it kind of just goes with anything. But I do love this. So you can do the same thing with like throw pillows and things like that. Just add those pops of black, and it's just super classic and beautiful. So another type of blanket that I wanted to show you guys is just your basic like chunky knit blanket. So you can get these in all different colors. This is one that we found about 1.5 years ago at IKEA actually. It's just a very thick knit blanket, and it is like a tighter woven knit, which I really like. So it's just very like just warm and just like a heavy weighted blanket kind of. And I love this. And again, it's that neutral color, so you can keep this out all year round if you want, but because it's that knit material, I think incorporating that into winter decor is just beautiful, and it just makes sense. Winter months are typically your cold months, and anyway, I just love that, just having this like knit throw blanket you can just curl up with on a couch, and I really love that. So you can find these pretty much anywhere. I know the knit blankets are pretty popular nowadays, so you can find them anywhere. Like I said, I know Target has some, TJ Maxx Home Goods generally has some. Like I said, this came from IKEA. You can check Amazon, pretty much anywhere, but I think this is a good staple to have out throughout the winter months as well. So another thing I wanted to show you guys, this is something that I'm kind of getting into, I guess. So a friend of ours actually gifted us a beautiful piece of landscape art, and I love this. So it's very sentimental to us. She has a beautiful little handwritten note here in the back, which I love, and she is a secondhand shopper like me, so she loves thrifting and all of that, and this was a secondhand piece that she found and gifted it to us, which I love that. So this was my first piece of landscape art, and I think it's just so beautiful. I love the colors in there. It's kind of like the gray and blues, but like, I don't know, it just looks very wintry to me, just very like foggy and whatnot, and just kind of fits the mood for that. But I also love this warm wood frame too. So how I styled this was on top of my hall tree, and like I said, this is the first piece of landscape art that I have, and I just thought it looked so beautiful. So I've actually started collecting a couple more here and there. I showed that in my last video as well. Whenever I went to Hobby Lobby, I was able to score some for great prices, and I have those throughout my home now. But I just love this piece, so I wanted to show that with you guys. Landscape art is obviously something that you can use all year round, but whenever you're looking for certain like color palettes and aesthetic and whatnot, I just think that you can have some really pretty pieces like that for winter. And this is mine this year. I absolutely love this piece. And like I said, it has some sentimental value to it because it was gifted to us by some of our best friends, which I love. So, okay, so I just have a couple more pieces to share. One of the things is a candle. So as you can see here, this is just a little battery operated candle. I am obsessed with these. These came from Amazon. I will have them linked down below. They came in a 6-pack. They have a remote. I've shared them before, and I just love them. I have them all throughout our home, and just a good candle. Like, you can't go wrong with a good candle, especially in the winter time. This is just super cozy at night. We love to, like, when we're in our living room, watch TV, or just don't have the TV on at all and just have these lit throughout the room. So pretty, and the ambiance is beautiful. So have this, and of course you can do your traditional real candles and have all of the cozy winter scents that you like. I know right now I have one on my dining room table that is called Warm and Cozy, and it's in an amber glass jar, so it has that rich aesthetic to incorporate into winter, and just the name itself just screams winter to me. So I wanted to mention those. And another thing is adding in some brass accents. So this is a thrifted brass candle holder that I've had for a while now, but I just think the brass pieces are super pretty. They're also very popular right now, which is kind of nice because you can get your hands on them pretty frequently, and you can get some really good price points. But brass accents and also the matte black accents like I showed you guys earlier you really just can't go wrong with incorporating those into your home in the winter months. Okay, so last but not least, one of the things I had to show you guys, and this is kind of a given, I guess, are some logs or just like wooden accents in general. But as far as our home, I love to keep logs in a basket. So this is just a brass, kind of bronzy wire basket, as you guys can tell, and I like to keep logs in here. I will keep this inside of our fireplace, like in the insert part, because we don't have an actual plug-in insert. So I love the real raw and rich look that this gives. But I mean, you can find wood anywhere. Just cut some up. If you have some laying around, you can go buy some logs at the store, just about anything. But you can keep them in baskets. You can keep them on an actual log holder. I know I have some of those and I love those as well. So just really anything like that, but this just gives a really just warm and inviting feel, especially for those winter months on a snowy day. You have some logs inside. If you have a wood burning fireplace, that is amazing. You can do that as well, but I just love these little log accents. I think they're so pretty. Like I said, if you can't get your hands on any like outside for whatever reason, you can definitely buy them in store too. So just keep an eye out for that if you like that vibe, but I know here in our home we really like it, so I like to keep those around, especially in the winter months. Alright you guys, that is all that I have for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed these winter staples that you can incorporate into your home and just get some ideas on winter inspiration on how to decorate after the holidays. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and definitely hit that bell notification. That way you are notified every time I post a new video. My goal is to always post 1 to 2 videos a week, but I'm really trying to pump some videos out right now because we are expecting a new little family member next month. We just have a few weeks left, and I'm just trying to get out as much content as I possibly can. I am planning to pre-film. I mentioned that in my last video. That way you guys will have more videos coming from me after he is born. So if you are new here, we are expecting our 3rd little boy. So our house is going to be very full of little boys, and we're just having so much fun with it and just raising them. It is quite funny here, quite chaotic too. So anyway, just wanting to get some more content out for you guys, like I said. But if you guys are interested in all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe, hit the bell notification, all the things, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.